Yes, hold that, please. So, me, Shannon, and Meredith, the camera girl, woman, person, operator thing, are on the way to a mall and a flea market called Flea World. And yeah, this is our last mall day of the year 2010. As you know, today's New Year's Eve, which I probably won't get this video uploaded until like 2 months after New Year starts. But today we're gonna make the most out of this day because it's the last mall day of 2010, and you know, we have to make the most out of this day because
2010 is over.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, isn't this so cute? Hold on. This song's almost over. I want you
trying to get its eyes.
Want y'all to hear
its eyes. There you go.
Want y'all to hear this.
Put his hand on your eye.
Listen.
I mean. You don't have to put the camera right up in it. I was trying to get the sound. You don't get the sound.
It snores and then roars. Hey, that rhymes. It's supposed to be a pillow pet, but instead of it's actually called the original Sleepy Time Snooze 'em Pals. And my mom got it for Christmas, for me. She got it for me for Christmas.
She got it for me.
And the hell you say? Well, apparently it's been taken captive. Oh, she also got me this, a big old sock monkey. And I love the sock monkeys up here.
I was looking at
Say
the
hello
legs.
to Mr. Monkey. Why do you want to see the sock monkey's legs?
To show the legs of the sock monkey.
Stop it!
And in the battle of the sock monkey and the lion, I have to say that the lion wins. Because that's what's left of the sock monkey.
I got a book.
It matches his watch.
It just... yeah, the one I got for you that was too big.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We'll call it that.
And it was $15.39 at Walmart compared to $21.99. Oh, and then I got this so
nobody wanted it.
And I can... And bang, 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 and bang, 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 and...
Is that wise?
I don't know if it's wise. No, it's mine. Anyway, okay, we're gonna go now, so we'll see y'all later. Have a nice day. Y'all come back now, you hear? This has been a Filmways presentation, darling.